This is Adnan Ahmed. Today we are discussing direct and indirect speech. That's the second part, right? We have discussed the first part. Those person they are newcomer, right? They can watch the video one, direct speech and indirect speech part one. This we are discussing part two, right? We are just above the basic. Direct and indirect speech. First we will discuss the different kinds of sentences. We have 7 types of sentences. And we are discussing 4 types of sentences, how to change into direct speech into indirect speech. One is imperative sentence, second we have interrogative sentence, number third optative, and last is exclamatory sentence. So we are discussing these 4 domains of direct and indirect speech, 4 types of sentences of narration, right? So very first is interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence we have 2 types of sentences. One is confirmative, second we have informative. Confirmative, we ask question, the answer will be yes and no answer. We start from the helping verbs, will, may, might, can, is, am, are, was, were, or have, or has. So confirmative, in which we have confirmation, right? Do you study in class 12th? This one is confirmative, yes I do, no I don't. Number second we have interrogative. In interrogative, number second idea is informative questions. Informative means WH question. We have 9 WH questions. What, where, whose, whom, 9 WH. If you're asking question from WH, that's informative questions. So we have 2 kinds of questions. We are discussing 2 kinds of questions in direct speech and indirect speech. Number 1 is she said to him, do you study biology? So first you have to observe at the end of a reporting a speech and the end of a reported speech we have interrogative mark, right? Do you study biology? So we have 4 changes that we have to make. One is she said to him. Said to को आपने change करना है. We have 4 option for said to. Second is interrogative sentence into affirmative sentence. Present simple idea into past indefinite idea. First person, second, third person we have to change. So she said to him, आपने change करना है. She asked him. She inquired of him. She interrogated him. She questioned him. So we have 4 options, right? So this is better for you to make your life easy. She asked him. So यहाँ पे as use कर देंगे. Do you study biology? So one is interrogative में affirmative बनाएंगे. For affirmative subject को पहले आपने use करना है. You को हमने पहले use करना है. यू इज सेकेंड पर्सन चेंज किससे करते हैं? ऑब्जेक्ट से करते हैं. वहाँ पे हिम लिखा हुआ है तो ही आ जाएगा, राइट? ओके, फॉर ज्वाइनिंग वी डू नॉट यूज दैट. यहाँ पे दैट को यूज नहीं करते हैं. वी यूज इफ और वेदर. फॉर कनेक्टिंग 2 क्लासेस, फॉर कनेक्टिंग 2 सेंटेंसेस वी यूज इफ और वेदर. Getting this point? I'm repeating my words again. I'm repeating my words. She said to him, 1 class, do you study biology? 2nd class. इन दोनों को ज्वाइन करने के लिए वी हैव 1 कनेक्टिंग वर्ड, 1 कंजक्शन दैट वी आर यूजिंग इफ और वेदर. वी डू नॉट यूज दैट. यहाँ पे दैट यूज नहीं करेंगे, इफ यूज करेंगे या फिर वेदर यूज करेंगे. डिड यू स्टडी बायोलॉजी अगर कई स्टूडेंट से यूज करते हैं तो इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस से आपने प्रेजेंट टेंस से पास्ट में कर दिया, आपने अफर्मेटिव नहीं बनाया से. सो शी सेड टू हिम इफ ही स्टडीड बायोलॉजी, राइट? सो ही स्टडीड बायोलॉजी, आपने यू को चेंज किया था ऑब्जेक्ट में, वहाँ पे हिम था तो ही आ जाएगा. प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट था पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में डालता है. ही स्टडीड बायोलॉजी, दिस इज करेक्ट सेंटेंस. नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग कंबाइन कलेक्टिवली, राइट? सो शी asked him, she said to him, she asked him. For joining of 2 classes we have connecting word if use कर देंगे. Present indefinite into past indefinite, interrogative sentence into affirmative sentence. He studied biology, right? So we have 2 kinds of interrogative sentence. We are discussing confirmative sentences. One more example we are discussing. They said to me, will he attend a seminar tomorrow? We have interrogative mark, क्वेश्चन मार्क. स्टार्ट कहाँ से कर रहे हैं? विल से कर रहे हैं. कन्फर्मेटिव में फॉर ज्वाइनिंग ऑफ 2 क्लासेस इफ और वेदर यूज करेंगे. दे सेड टू मी, दे आस्क्ड मी. इफ यूज करते हैं विल ही. फॉर अफर्मेटिव सब्जेक्ट को हम पहले यूज कर देते हैं, यहाँ पे ही को हम पहले लाएंगे. ही इज थर्ड पर्सन है. थर्ड पर्सन वी डू नॉट चेंज, राइट? वी डू नॉट चेंज. इफ विल को वुड में कर देंगे. इफ यू वुड अटेंड सेमिनार द नेक्स्ट डे. टुमारो विल बी चेंज इनटू the following day or the next day. And second is he will remain same. would से आपने will से would कर दिया, अब आपकी फॉर्म सेम होती है. Can, could, may, might, shall should we do not change the form of the verb. उसके बाद verb की form same होगी. Number second example we are discussing, he said to them, is busy in these days. He said to them, first we have to observe, recognize, last में interrogative mark लिखा हुआ है और क्वेश्चन मार्क लिखा हुआ है, तो said to को आपने चेंज करना है, as में चेंज करना है, inquired of में चेंज करना है. He said to him, he said to them, he asked them. For joining of two classes we have if यूज़ करते हैं यहाँ पर. Is he busy in these days. ही को हम पहले लेके आ जाएंगे एंड ही इज सब्जेक्ट है. By one side we have interrogative sentence, second we have affirmative. For affirmative sentence subject को हम पहले यूज़ करते हैं. So he is busy in these days. So present simple idea, past indefinite और past simple idea. He was busy in these days, in those days. So he asked them if he was busy in those days. Right one. So this one was the interrogative sentence, the confirmative sentence. Now we are discussing informative sentence. He said to her. इंट्रोगेटिव में टू टाइप्स होती हैं. वन टाइप इज जो इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस होता है, इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द हेल्पिंग ऑब्स, विल, मे, माइट, इज, एम, आर, वाज, वर एंड मोर. नंबर सेकंड वी हैव इंफॉर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. फॉर इंफॉर्मेटिव वी हैव 9 WH वर्ड्स, what, where, whose, whom and more words. So he said to her, said to will be changed according to the rule number 1. Said to will be changed as, inquired of, interrogated and more. So he said to her, he asked her. यहाँ पे हम that यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. We do not use if or whether. What, where, whose, they will remain same. So what same रहेगा. Such as he said to her, he asked her, what is remain same. What do you want to be. So you is a subject. We have to change and we have to put in the starting. So you is second person, object से change करते हैं. हर लिखा तो she आ जाएगा. What she wanted to be. A present simple idea into past indefinite idea. Alright, present indefinite into past indefinite. Number second idea. They said to him. They asked him. For joining or two classes, we do not use if or whether. अगर WH है, where will remain same. Do you live? You is the second person. We have to change according to the objective reporting speech. जो him लिखा से change कर देंगे तो he आ जाएगा. So the correct sentence is they asked him where he lived. Right one. So interrogative we have completed. So we have two kinds of interrogative sentence. One is a confirmative, second we have informative. For confirmative, these kind of sentences they start from the helping of. For informative, they start from the WH family. 9 WH होते हैं, उससे start करते हैं. Second we have optative sentence. Optative sentence is most of the wishing cards और सेलिब्रेशन वहाँ पे लिखे होते हैं सेंटेंस. They start from the may. 90% these sentences they start from the may. At the end of the sentence we do not have interrogative mark. We have full stop. If you start your sentence with the may, at the end you have question mark. That's interrogative sentence. But may start में use करें, लास्ट में full stop है. That is not interrogative, optative sentence. Whether wish or pray. So he said to her, may you live long. Said to will be changed into a wish or prayed. तो विश यूज़ कर सकते हैं, तो प्रे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड फॉर ज्वाइनिंग ऑफ टू क्लासेस वी हैव दैट. फॉर ऑप्टेटिव से आपने अफर्मेटिव करना है. फॉर अफर्मेटिव यूज सब्जेक्ट द वेरी स्टार्टिंग. सो ही सेड टू हर, ही विश और ही प्रेड फॉर हर. फॉर ज्वाइनिंग वी हैव दैट यूज़ कर देंगे. मे यू लिव लॉन्ग, यू इज द सब्जेक्ट, वी हैव टू पुट इन द स्टार्टिंग. सेकेंड पर्सन हर से चेंज करेंगे तो यहाँ पे शी आ जाएगा. मे माइट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, शी माइट लिव अ लॉन्ग. राइट वन. Okay, number second, optative, they may start from I wish. Right one. I wish is the kind of imaginary sentences. Most of the conditional sentences में use करते हैं I wish. काश ऐसा हो जाता. Right one. We use करते हैं. She said to them, I wish I were 17 years old. With I in conditional sentences, we do not use was. We use were. Whether he, she, or it, or I, we have to use were rather than was. She said to them, she wish or that. I wish will be removed. So I was 17 years old. So was and were we have to change into had been. She had been 17 years old. So most of the optative sentences you will see they start from the may, right one. But in some cases these kind of sentences they can be started with I wish. Number third we have would that से भी start हो सकते हैं. He said to them, would that I were a doctor. Would that and I wish almost same. This is imagination. काश ऐसा हो जाता, यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो ही सेड टू देम, ही विश दैट वुड दैट विल बी रिमूव. आई वर अ डॉक्टर, ही हैड बीन अ डॉक्टर. और बिकॉज आई फर्स्ट पर्सन सब्जेक्ट से चेंज करते हैं, यहाँ पे ही लिखा था तो ही में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. ही हैड बीन अ डॉक्टर. राइट वन. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस. The very second last we have exclamatory sentence. We have two kinds of exclamatory sentence. One is that we are discussing. So we have three kinds of feelings regarding this one. One, we have sad feelings, unhappy feelings. She said to him, alas, my father died yesterday. So alas is a introduction, a kind of expression. We do not have exactly meaning, but this expression is used for the sad feelings or sad expression. सो लास्ट में देखें इसके लिखा हुआ है एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क लिखा हुआ है. शी सैड टू हिम, आपने सैड टू को चेंज करना है एक्सक्लेम विद. शी एक्सक्लेम विद. सैड फीलिंग्स हैं एक्सक्लेम विद ग्रीफ, सैडनेस, सॉरो, डिस्प्लेजर, अनहैप्पीनेस, एंड वी हैव मोर वर्ड्स रिगार्डिंग दिस. सैड फीलिंग जो भी शो कर सकता है. शी सेड टू हिम, शी एक्सक्लेम विद ग्रीफ और इंटेंस ग्रीफ or sorrow, sadness, and we have different kinds of words that will show the sadness. Next last will be removed. For joining of two classes we have that को आप यूज़ करेंगे. My father died yesterday. My first person subject से change करते हैं her father present past indefinite into past perfect. This is past indefinite, आपने past perfect में change करना है. My father died yesterday. Her father had died the previous day, the day before. Right. Number second, he said to them, alas, he had failed in MCAT test. He said to them, alas, he has failed in MCAT test. Said to को change करते हैं, exclaim में change करते हैं, and present perfect tense से into past perfect में आपने change करना होगा. She said to him, alas, she got an accident yesterday. So last two sentences, that's assignments you have to make yourself. Right one. If you find problem in comment box, you can write down. I will solve this problem. So exclamatory sentence, we have three kinds of feeling. One is sad feelings that we have discussed right now, and last two sentences we will discuss by yourself, sad feelings. Second, we have happy feelings. She said to him, hurrah, I have won the competition. I have won the competition, present perfect tense. Hurrah is a happy expression, but in 19th century or in a 20th century in the starting, that was a hurrah. Still we have been using this kind of expression. So she said to him, she exclaimed with happy expression, with joy, with pleasure, with happiness, with delight, and we have more words regarding this one. ऐसे वर्ड जो happiness को show कर सकते हैं, excitement को show करेंगे, you can write down more words. She exclaimed with joy, happiness. For joining we have that, we have to use that. Present perfect into past perfect. I have won the match. I first person according to subject. She had won the competition. Sorry, not match, competition. So that she had won the competition. Second sentence, she said to them, hurrah, Pakistan has defeated India. You have to change by yourself. This is assignment. Simple expression is she said to them. She exclaimed with joy, happiness, or excitement, pleasure. We have more words. You have to change yourself. The very last expression, that is a use something is amazing, something is unexpected. Right one, something is wonder. She said to them, wow, it is an amazing match. So she said to them, we have to change. She exclaimed with whether wonder, surprise, amazement. जब भी जो feelings होती हैं जो unexpected होती हैं, जिसमें आप हैरान हो जाते हैं, तो we are using this kind of things. She exclaimed with wonder, surprise, amazement, and we have more words. Then we have that it is an amazing match. It was an amazing match. Clear this idea? So this is all about exclamatory sentence, and we have two types of exclamatory sentences. Most of the person they do first type. Second time, whether they forget, they do not know, or they ignore. But we have second type of exclamatory sentence too. He said to them, how dangerous he is driving. So how dangerous he is driving. Number second type of exclamatory sentence, the start from how or what. Right one, you can ask question, there will be a question आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे. how और what start होते हैं जहाँ पे interrogation करते हैं, वहाँ पे लास्ट में क्या होगा, साइन ऑफ इंट्रोगेटिव होगी. हाउ से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, व्हाट से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद साइन ऑफ इंट्रोगेशन नहीं है बल्कि एक्सक्लेमेटरी है. दिस वाज एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. हाउ एंड व्हाट वी डू नॉट यूज फॉर इंट्रोगेशन, वी आर जस्ट यूजिंग फॉर इंटेंसिटी के लिए हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर. सो ही सेड टू देम हाउ डेंजरस इज ड्राइविंग, और she said to him what a stormy night it is. So both are exclamatory sentence, but the sign of exclamation we have at the end, and these kind of sentences they start from how as well as what. Hopefully you are getting this idea. So interrogative and exclamatory you cannot mix. For interrogative sentences last में क्या लिखा होगा, interrogative mark लिखा होगा. For exclamatory sentence we have sign of exclamation. She said to him, she exclaimed with surprise, with wonder, with delight, with amazement or excitement that how dangerous he is driving. यहाँ पे लिखा he said to them, तो यहाँ पे हमने he said to them की जगह by mistake she said exclaimed with लिखा हुआ. So she और he exclaimed with surprise. How dangerous he is driving. So he is driving को हमने पहले यूज़ करना है. He was driving. हाउ एंड वाट को चेंज करते हैं, वेरी में चेंज कर देते हैं. ही वॉज ड्राइविंग वेरी डेंजरसली, राइट. नंबर सेकेंड, शी इज क्लेम विद वंडर व्हाट स्टॉर्मी नाइट इट इज़. सो इट इज़ को हमने पहले यूज़ करना है. इट वॉज अ वेरी स्टॉर्मी नाइट, राइट. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस, एंड देन वी हैव प्रैक्टिस. वी हैव 4 sentences for practice. First is you have to recognize which kind of exclamatory sentence this one is. Second, we have 3 kinds of feelings, recognize, and then you can solve this idea. The very last we have imperative sentence. For imperative sentences we have different senses. He said to her, please help me, right. So first is you have to recognize these kind of sentences, they start from the verbs. Please help me. So we do not have subject whether he or she or they. यहाँ पे ये नहीं लिखा हुआ he helps me or they will help me. So directly we start. So recognition. Number second is we have different moods. Request है, order है, respect है, encouragement है, motivation है, और advice है, suggestion है. We have to. So he said to her, please help me. So if we see the reported speech, उसका जो sense बनता है वो request का बनता है sense. The sense of the sentence will be converted into a said to. So he said to her. He requested her. For joining of 2 classes we do not use any connecting word, we use only to. यहाँ पे हमने कोई that use नहीं करना, if भी use नहीं करना, यहाँ पे हम to use करते हैं. Please will be removed. Why? Because we have used requested. So he said to her, he requested her to help me. Me is first person, we have to change according to the subject of reporting speech. So वहाँ पे him लिखा था तो me him आ जाएगा यहाँ पर. Number second, doctor said to patient, take this medicine. A doctor said to patient, take this medicine. If we understand the sense of the sentence as a prescribe, डॉक्टर क्या करते हैं, प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं, और मे बी एडवाइस हो सकती है. सो डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब और डॉक्टर एडवाइस पेशेंट, बट प्रिस्क्रिप्शन इज बेटर वर्ड. डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब पेशेंट to take these medicine, to take those medicine. For joining 2 classes, again we do not use that or if or any other connecting word. We use only to for joining. यहाँ पे हम tense को भी change नहीं करते. Number second idea see, he said to his servant, stand up. So the sense of the sentence is ordered sentence. So said to will be changed into order में change कर देंगे इसमें. He ordered ed form his servant. यहाँ पे to use नहीं करते. He requested it to, he ordered to, he advised to will be removed, right. He said to his servant, he ordered his servants. For joining we have to stand up. This is a simple idea. Number second, she said to him, do not waste your time. Do not or never, we have to change into forbid and prohibited. So forbid is first form, forbid is second form, forbidding third form. So second form we have to use. She said to him, she forbade or she prohibited him. Forbade में negative भी आता है. We do not use not. She said to him, she forbade him. To waste your time, your second person है, object में change करते हैं, him में तो his आ जाएगा, his time, right. Second, इसको यूँ भी change कर सकते हैं. She said to him, do not waste your time. This is kind of advice. She advised him not to waste his time. So advice में negative नहीं आ रहा. So we have to use negative. She advised him not to waste his time or she forbade him to waste his time. Both are correct. You can use any of them. Right idea. Next idea, she said to them, go to right, then left, you will see the post office. So sense of the sentence is direction or guidance. She is directing. So she said to them, she directed them, she guided them. कोई भी आपसे एड्रेस पूछता है आप उनको डायरेक्शन देते हैं और गाइडेंस करते हैं. So any two verbs you can use. She said to them, she directed them, or she guided them. Number next, they said to them, do not lose your heart on your failure. Do not lose your heart on your failure. If you just observe and try to understand, this is kind of motivation or encouragement. So they said to them, they encouraged them, remaining you will do by yourself. Number third, she said to them, offer namaz 5 times a day. So this is quite easy, comprehensive. She advised them. She advised them or she suggested them. You can use this idea. He said to them, drive carefully. He said to them, drive carefully. He instructed them. Right, when instructors होते हैं तो यहाँ पे instructed आ जाएगा. We do not use order, we use instructed. So he instructed them. You can use by yourself. This is assignment for you. You will do by yourself. In comment box you can write down, or I will check. If you find any problem, again you can ask me. This is all about the second part of a narration, direct speech and indirect speech. We discuss 4 sentences, 4 types of sentences. Even they are not difficult, you need to only practice, just practice, and you can solve this idea. Thank you.